Five fingers of prayer. Thumb. Thumb is nearer to you, so pray for those who are closest to you. Pointing finger. Pray for those who teach, instruct, and heal. Tallest finger. Pray for your leaders. They need God guidance. Ring finger. Weakest finger. So pray for those who are weak, trouble, or in need. Little finger. The smallest, to remind you to pray for yourself. Share your best and do your best wherever you are. God bless and more power. Happy New Year.